I'll be putting it in the microwave for it to cook, and I'll bring it out to continue the process. Watch me as I do so. Here is back. It's ready. Don't mind my voice. I have kata. Okay. Pray for me. If you demand some prayer, I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind. See how clean it is. So clean. I'm even convinced it's like I washed it already. It's good products. It's healthy. It's healthy. Please, I'm begging. Eat some healthy meal. Eat some healthy. From the sauce. From the sauce. I need to bring out other soup from freezer. This one is going down. Just be coming down there. This is my okra soup and my swallow. Do you get it? If you don't, forget about it. And for those of you who get it, that's it. That's it. Come, let's eat. Let me eat one swallow for now and one hand, because I don't have energy to turn camera while eating. I can get some chair so we can eat together. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. It's too hot. I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna settle down and eat this food. Don't go and pressure me. Now this is my fans. I like you now. I'm gonna go bring you. I will be eating from here.